Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This is the video for my April VIP Club card kit. This is the card. Super cute. You know me, I love the butterflies. And we are using that great big new doily. Let me see if I can find it. Yikes, what did I do with it? Oh, I see it. Here we go. This is the doily bin cuts. It's called Fancy Doilies. I love it. So here's one that I did in blue, and then this is the craft. And you can see I just whacked it in half, and I'm using half on a card. So these are the parts you will get. There we go. In the card kit, you will receive one of our envelopes, a card base. This is a card base I made out of some cardstock that was gifted to me, so I made it a top folding card base. Half of one of those new big fancy doilies, a strip of our gold shimmer trim, and I have a little tail on there to make it easy for you to grab. A piece of pattern paper. This is from, I think, an old mix-in pack. It was something that I had, and I thought, ooh, it's pretty, let's use it. So I think it's 5.5 inches tall by about 1.5 inches wide. And then 2 butterflies. The butterflies are from the In Full Bloom Stampin' Thin Cuts set. I colored one of the butterflies, and we're leaving the bottom layer plain. I think... Let's see here. Ooh, noisy. I think I used True Blue and Ice Blue blend for the blues. It might have been the True Blue and the True Blue shades. I think that might be what I did. I just picked a couple of blues that went together to sort of go with the blueness of the patterned paper. Okay, let's get assembling. First thing we need to do, add some glue or tape runner, whatever you like using. This is not running as nicely as I'd hoped, but we're going to make it work. Put that along the left side here. Of course, you could flip it around the other way if you want. I like using the glue because I can slide it around a little bit. Hangs off just a smidge, so I'm taking my scissors, flip it over, give it a trimmeroo, and there we go. The next thing you want to do is put down your doily. Again, I'm going to use some glue if I can get it to go. My goodness, it's being a stubborn little thing today. There. And I'm just going along and hitting some highlights. You don't have to glue the whole thing down. This might also be a chance to use any kind of a spray adhesive that you have that you like using, but I'm just going to dab some glue on there and butt it up. Ooh, somebody's calling me, my goodness. Butt it up. Well, I had to answer the phone there. Woo! Go figure. I have my doily in place. It does hang off just a little bit, and again, you can flip it over and give it a little trim, and it will be just fine. Just like that. The next application, rip that backing off and put your shimmer trim on here. Oh, it's so pretty and so handy and so quick because of that adhesive backing. I left them just a little long for you for wiggle room's sake. So trim off that excess as well. Then we've got butterflies, and I'm going to stick this right in the middle. Right there. And then the butterfly that's colored, and yours will come pre-colored. Bend up your little wings and you're just putting glue in the middle there, not on the outside wings, because we want the butterfly to look like it is flying. So those wings should be loose, just like that. And I did add a little bit of shimmer brush. You can see that on the wings on top of the marker. And that's it. Super easy little card featuring a little bit of old, a little bit of new, but that's what we all have in our stash. So why not combine them? I hope you enjoy your card kit for April for my VIP customers. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.